Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on JustMarkets. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we create an account. So we click on demo, then we do open new accounts, select here try demo, then choose here the currency, USD is fine. Then we select here the leverage and we do 1 to 1000, and then we fill in our password right there. Then select here the balance where we want to trade with. Let's do 100k. And then from now, we click on create account. Then we created our account right here, and they sent an email to my email address with all the details that we need. So right now, if we click here on trade, so we click on trade with this account and we do the MT5 web trader, we need to enter a password for this. So now we go to our email address. Normally it's standing right there, but for JustMarkets it's not standing right there because it's just your normal password. So now if we fill in our password right here and we do connect to account, you see that we are now here on the chart. And now we can start trading by simply go here to new order and then fill in the volume that we want to buy. Select here if you want to add a stop loss or a take profit, what we want. And then from here, we can click here on buy by market. Or if we do it again, we can click here on sell by market, and then you will find your trade right here on this desk over here. So this is how you can trade on JustMarkets. It's not that difficult, but you need to know how to log in and open the web trader. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.